Morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. So I'm your girl Shadi Boo, only if you're new here. Thank you for clicking on this video. Thank you for being interested in what I got going on. For everybody who's been here from day one, you know I love y'all and thank you for all the support. Make sure you like up this video, share this video. Make sure you comment below. Make sure you turn on your post notifications so that when I post the video, you can pull up and see what I got going on. Now this morning I got up early because me and Royalty are going to the Carousel. What is it called? The Fish Carousel. It's in Battery Park in New York City. Right next door to the Staten Island Ferry if you live in New York or if you're visiting, tourists, whatever. Yeah, so we're going there to ride the carousel. I believe it's $6. Yeah, I believe it's $6. Which is not bad because that's a tourist area. So I would think $16, but I'm not complaining. So, yeah, so we're going to do that. Hopefully my mother will meet us because, you know, she lives in Staten Island. So we're hoping that she meets us, but I'm not too sure yet. But if not, it'll just be me and Royalty. So I got up this morning, went to the supermarket, got some hero breads, some sandwich bread. I got some sandwich meat, honey glazed turkey, American cheese. I got some chips, got some juice, got some water, got some oranges. Gotta have our fruit. And so right now I'm getting ready to do all of that. And yeah, so let's make these sandwiches, get Royalty up because she's still asleep, and get ready to hit the road. So anytime I decide to take Royalty outside to the park or to an outing or we're going for a long drive with her dad, we like to make sure that we pack sandwiches. It's the best way to go. Instead of spending a whole bunch of money, pack a good sandwich, put some fruit in there, a bag of chips, some water, a drink, a cold, fresh drink, and you're good to go. Because constantly spending money outside, it's going to cost you. So we made it out the house. Right, Royalty? I don't know if she's a morning person. She likes to go places, but I don't know if she's a morning person. Because, and it could also be because she likes to be in the, car. And we're walking and getting on the bus. And, you know, when you're in the car, it's a luxury and convenience. But... But we have our bags, our lunch, we have all of our stuff because over there stuff is really, really expensive. And that's only because of, it's a tourist attraction area. So, yeah, so the smart thing to do, I mean, if you want to check out some food spots over there, that's cool. But I would say pack up your lunch. Okay, if you want to save $1. Oh, what's that, a bee? Oh, a fly. I know I smell good, so, you know. But, okay, the bus is here now. Okay, we made it. There, the Staten Island Ferry's over there. This is the park. And I know it says the entrance. Let's be this way. Let's see. Look at these big buildings. Gee whiz. Okay, this say across the street. So here is where we enter the park. And mind you guys, oh, it's right there. You see it going around? You see it, Papa? Okay. I have lived over here my whole life and I never knew this was here. It's one thing about New York. You got some little hidden gems. So let's see what this is about. Let's see what the line is about. Hopefully not too long. But yeah, the weather's not that bad neither. So that's a plus. All right. This is so cool. Royalty. Royalty, say hi. I don't see you. Why are you looking like a sad puppy? So we're on it. You okay, Papa? Huh? Royalty. You okay? Okay. So this is really, really nice. This is the fish. Look who wanted to sit on her mother. This girl, I tell you, things you think sometimes is gonna make these kids happy, they don't. Ooh. This is so pretty. Rosie would have been in this one, but she got out. See, we would have been waving to each other. The fishes glow, they glow in the dark. Ooh. So that was fun. That was nice, right? But I know at nighttime it looks really pretty because it lights up. You enjoyed yourself, Rosie?
Yeah.
It's nice. It's about, I would say you get like about 6 minutes. Huh?
I'd rather it was a museum.
You would rather it be a museum? Girl.
I think that is the other place.
Warzone.
Oh boy. Come on, let's go inside the terminal hall to pick up Grandma. And then we gotta find somewhere to sit down and have our lunch. The SeaGlass. What is it called? The SeaGlass Carousel. So yes, we're going inside because it's at Staten Island Ferry. They do have AC. So we're going to sit in there and wait for my mother to come. And yeah. So, all right. Royalty couldn't wait. She had to start eating her sandwich. She couldn't wait. But it's okay. It is, no, it's okay.
It's on the TV.
It is lunchtime. Fixated on this glitch right here. I don't know. But, oh, show them your nice water bottle that you got. Where we got this from, I think, oh, Marshall's. You know, it's about to be school time. Get the kiddies they pretty water bottles. And it's heat insulated and cold insulated, I believe. You want another sandwich? You're so pretty. You're so beautiful. It's just so much. You're waiting on my mom now. Feels so good. If you're ever in New York and you're waiting for somebody and they tell you meet me by the Staten Island Ferry, wait for them inside because it's fully air conditioned. My mother's here. Say hi, mommy.
No.
Say hi to the
That's
vlog.
okay,
Look at her. She wants the bees to sting her.
I do not. Mommy.
Gosh, I'm hungry. So we're in Battery Park. I like that they put chairs out so you can sit down. I mean, there's no table, but it's okay. You gonna clean them? Wait, bro. Ooh, it was filthy. Where you gonna put it, Mom? I got a Ziploc bag. Hold on. Hold this.
No, that was my video.
Her.
That's my video. Guys,
It's so nice out here.
I want to go to the school. That's fun.
I can't even just like relax.
I want the sprinklers.
So the sprinklers are supposed to be somewhere over
They're over
here.
there. Oh, look at the kids. They're having fun and I'm not because I'm over here with you and Grandma. Stop acting
Well, we
like
never been to this park before, so we didn't even know what's in here.
I bet know what in here.
You didn't been know nothing was in
Yes,
here.
there is. I saw like a sign and it says there's a park around here.
So we're gonna go over by the sprinkler. That sandwich was busting, I'm not gonna lie.
Stop.
Let's see what the sprinklers is about. Okay.
Love you.
Love you.
Hi.
Just how I know my baby to be nice and kissy and huggy and lovey-dovey. Okay, come on. Now, I had no intention on Royalty getting wet at this park today. And normally I do pack extra clothes, extra socks, extra underwear, all this extra stuff. But today I just didn't. So she is just living in the moment and she is enjoying herself. And I'm letting her do just that. Royalty got wet up. And one thing about the sun, it is going to drain you. Got my mother back there. I don't know where we going now, but I'm tired. Where? We can. You want to go to Staten Island? Okay. I have on a tube top, so before, no mind my staying here. I dropped some juice there, whatever. So we came back home. We were supposed to go to Staten Island, but I just changed my mind because if you're a parent, you know, like this, soon as they start acting up or doing whatever, you just can foresee how the rest of the day is gonna go. And I just wasn't into it. And she started to really act up and just a lot of complaining, and I wasn't into it at all. And I was like, you know what, let me get on this bus and go back home. I came home, I had a really bad headache. And I just think it came from my child just doing the most, and I was just so overstimulated and I was so overwhelmed and I was so frustrated. So I took a pill, some Tylenol extra strength, And I laid down. I took a nap. I got up. I made us something to eat. Well, as soon as I got in, she took a shower and came out of our clothes. And then I took a nap. Then I made us something to eat. I made me some, I think it's these Japanese noodles. I'm going to show y'all. They cost like $2 in the store. But I heated up in the microwave. Then I poured it in the pan with some onions and peppers. And then I added some fried shrimp in there. Yeah, it was good. Y'all know I love food. And so, well, here's a picture right here. A little video of it. It was so good. For her, I made the same noodles, but without the shrimp and onions and peppers. I just put hers with some broccoli, and she bust that down, and then she went to bed. And that's a whole nother thing. Like, trying to get her back on a schedule is just kicking my ass, literally, because this girl just do not be wanting to sleep. But she sleep now, and right now it's about 10:30. So, but other than that, I enjoyed the day. The fish carousel, it was pretty cool. Holding Royalty wasn't easy because she's heavy. But her sitting on my lap, I was like, oh God, I hope this fish don't drop. With both of our big selves on here. But it was cool. If you get a chance to take your kids, take them. If you visit New York, take them. Even as adults, because I like to do fun things. But I would like to go at nighttime, just because they said it lights up and stuff. But yeah, so the outing was good. Seeing my mom was good. I did want to hang out more with her, but she already knows. She understands. Royalty, when I gotta go, I gotta go. I just can't. I just want to be in my house, comfortable, and that's it. So, but till the next video, I will see you guys in the next video. I'm tired, and I'm about to sort out these clothes, so tomorrow I could just go do the laundry quick, fast. Yeah. And also, I already started getting some goodies for Royalty's room. They are so pretty. But you got to stay tuned to that video. I'm not showing you. Not yet. But they are so pretty. So, I'll see y'all in the next vlog.